Hello world, in evolutionary biology, there's a fascinating phenomenon called carcinization, the repeated evolution of crustacean species into crab-like forms. This convergent evolution suggests that certain forms are so advantageous that nature repeatedly gravitates toward them. A similar pattern is emerging in the technology landscape, particularly in operating system design. The recent introduction of sudo in Windows 11's Insider Preview Build 26052 represents another significant step in this technological convergence. This implementation of a longtime Unix/Linux staple isn't just another feature addition, it's a marker of a broader evolutionary trend in operating system design. The pattern of convergence. Just as multiple crustacean lineages independently evolved crab-like characteristics, operating systems are demonstrating similar patterns of convergent evolution. macOS led this transition by building upon Unix foundations, and now Windows is following a parallel path. The integration of Linux-inspired features has become increasingly prominent. The Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL. A modernized terminal experience. And now, native sudo implementation. Microsoft's approach to sudo is particularly interesting, offering three distinct operational modes that bridge traditional Windows workflows with Unix-like functionality. The default new window mode maintains Windows' familiar security context separation, while the inline mode provides an experience nearly indistinguishable from traditional Unix implementations. Evolution in action. The parallel with carcinization becomes more compelling when we consider the numbers. Nature has produced over 7,000 species of true crabs through various evolutionary paths. Similarly, we're witnessing multiple operating systems converging on common design patterns and functionality. Microsoft's decision to open source their sudo implementation is particularly noteworthy. This move reflects a fundamental shift in development philosophy, embracing the collaborative approach that has long characterized the Linux ecosystem. Technical implementation. Windows sudo implementation demonstrates careful consideration of security and usability. The three configuration options provide flexibility while maintaining security boundaries. In a new window mode preserves process isolation. Input closed mode enables non-interactive elevated commands. Inline mode offers Unix-like behavior for seasoned developers. Looking forward. As operating systems continue to evolve, we're likely to see further convergence around proven paradigms. Just as the crab form represents an optimal solution discovered repeatedly by evolution, certain computing patterns may represent similarly optimal solutions for operating system design. This convergence doesn't necessarily mean the end of operating system diversity. Rather, it suggests that certain core functionalities and interfaces have proven so effective that they're becoming universal standards. Windows' adoption of sudo is less about imitation and more about acknowledging and implementing proven solutions. The future of operating systems might not be about distinctiveness for its own sake, but rather about finding the most effective ways to serve users' needs. In this light, Windows' evolution toward Linux paradigms isn't just logical, it's inevitable.